Should you buy AMC stock next Monday at market or at limit price? Which one is better between the two? All right, that's a question that a lot of investors might have, especially the beginners or those who are new to this kind of investing slash trading stock markets thing. All right, let's get into it and I will clarify all these for you guys and it will be much more clear at the end of the year, I promise. All right, what you see in yellow in the screen is what we call pre-market, meaning this is a session that was initially dedicated to big investors with big pockets, to play kind of in their own sandbox before the market opens, because since they are investing a ton of money, the stock market and, the regulators didn't want them to manipulate the price in order to be in a, not in favor of the retailers or impact the price during the trading session. So when you buy or you input an order prior to the market being open and you set up to be at market, it means that whatever price, will be trading for the stock at the opening will be that price that you will be buying at. So basically you are telling the platform or the broker, especially online brokers, that, hey, whatever the price it is, whenever it opens, buy it, So that's how the market order works. And you should pay attention to it, especially with this AMC stock, because even though pre-market, we are expecting to see a huge gain on the share price on Monday, it doesn't necessarily translate into what will actually happen during the trading session. So you want to be careful when you input your market order for AMC next Monday, because let's say pre-market it's trading at, you're seeing on Google Finance or maybe in investing or in your app, you're seeing, I don't know, 18. I'm just showing a number there, 18. It doesn't mean that it's going to open at 18. It might be 15. It might be 25. It might be, a different figure, a different number, a different market, different price. So just be aware of that. That's why, I really want guys to be careful about the market order with AMC stock, because, it drops fast, but it also gains quick and huge. So pay attention to that. Now, the limit price means I want to buy at this specific price, meaning whenever the stock exchange opens, whenever the market opens, whatever price will match the target price that I'm inputted or that I put in the platform or my broker, this is the price at which I will buy. Now, the difference with the market order and the limit price here is that since you're putting a specific mark, a specific figure, let's say it does open, I don't know, pre-market it's at 18 and it does open at 15. Now, if your limit price when you put in your order was at 13, it will get rejected because it didn't match the trading price. Now, if you leave your order open, so if you don't cancel it, and now during the trading session, it does go down from 15 and does touch 13, then since it's a match with your limit price or the price you set up when you put in your order, then the platform will execute your order just because it was matching the trading price. Now, another scenario, it is trading at 13 and it's trading at 13 and your limit price it's 15. Now, your trade will not be executed because it's not matching. Now, if it does approach 15, then it will get executed because, the limit price needs to match the trading price in order to get executed. So pay also attention to that because, as we saw on the past trading days, this is Friday as we're looking at right now on the screen, but you can go back and also watch what happened on Tuesday, Monday, even last week. You will, again, the way the stock market works, nothing goes higher and higher indefinitely, and then nothing goes lower and lower indefinitely, just because you have that buying pressure fighting the selling pressure, depending on what is happening in investors' mind and those who are willing to buy, those who are willing to sell. So how does it impact your strategy or how does it impact your gains? Now, since there is a lot of hype and we know that next week we might potentially see another real and big short squeeze on AMC stock, as you are planning ahead for your strategy today in order to buy tomorrow or even the other days coming, the fact that your limit price you will put, if you have a limit price and it's way above or way lower than the actual trading session or trading price, I meant, your order will not go through. Your order will not be executed. So you don't want to be left behind just because you set up a limit order that was way below the actual trading price. So my recommendation around that is keep an actual eye. Keep an eye, maybe every 5 minutes, every 10 minutes. Or if you are not, if you're in a position where you can't do that as much, as regularly as I mentioned, set a limit price, but, watch it every hour, every 2 hours, maybe a morning, and then set some alerts. If you set an alert, for example, TradingView here or investing.com or even on your trading platform, set an alert where in case the price goes or reaches, this range, then you will be alerted, and then you can go ahead, check actually what is happening on the trading on the market and then put in your order. But since this thing can go as fast as you can imagine, especially this week with the short squeeze coming, it's something that you have to keep in mind. So that's it, guys. All right, guys, I really hope that the information that I provided in this video will be very helpful and valuable to you, especially before Monday comes. So if you like the video, please smash that like button for me, and then subscribe if you're new to the channel, and welcome again. Thank you again for all the support, guys. See you in the next one. Cheers.